Yeah, I think I'd rather shoot this inside. Out there is not the place to be right now. I'm glad I brought that wall back more than he recommended.
I'm gonna have to blow the wall. Yeah, look at all the dirt that came off.
The other guy's getting the old tree.
Oh my, look how they do that!
Look how they do what?
How they pick up all the branches.
Yeah.
You don't get there physically have to throw them in. They
No.
have machines that do it. Well, you just scooped at her.
Hey, maybe we can put this on YouTube.
You can't get it in there?
No, for some reason I can't seem to.
Gotta try to get it all at
I was
once.
going to get one scoop. Am I charged by the scoop or something?
Which one's the guy that came and gave you the estimate, baby, that you talked with?
Neither one of these guys.
None of these guys?
No.
So you don't know which one you've been talking to on the phone, and you don't think it's
Yeah, I
Kevin?
do. No, it's, no, I know it's. No, his name is.
Kevin.
No.
That was the other guy.
No. It's. I forget.
Yeah, written down.
Yeah. Mark. It's Mark.
This is a pretty big operation. Yeah, Mark White. Well, I should just make the check out right now, huh?
Yeah.
Because it should be what they charged, what they said, right?
Yeah.
Well, there could be tax, huh?
You can't tax labor.
No?
Is labor taxable?
Should I write it out or not?
Just wait. Just wait. I mean, it shouldn't be more than what they said, but just wait.
Wow, you did get it with one scoop, didn't you?
Yep, one scoop. Except for the big log that's left. They're gonna manually.
No, he'll pick that up too. They're just getting it in a stack together for him.
Yeah, that makes sense. I bet that thing is heavy, huh?
There's gonna be acorns all over our freaking yard. I so wish they had done it in the driveway, but I understand why they did it. The driveway, that thing would come down and hit our
Crack the driveway.
Yeah. Man, I give them really good credit. They did not get the mailbox.
He said it wouldn't even. He was wondering if it would even hit the sidewalk.
Really?
He said this is a short tree.
Yeah. Well, that's why I wanted to take it down now instead of waiting another 8 years. That guy's got a cool job up there. He's
Let's
big.
see. There it is. Oh, we shouldn't get a space. We're gonna put it on YouTube because I don't know. It's not good. You guys, do we just have him sign a release form?
Oh, when I put this on YouTube.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Alright.
Yes.
Look, swish it. But you can hear us talking in the background.
Yeah. Alright, well, enough of that. This has been fun. Our tree is now gone. See ya.